cooking with your favorite CLT.
Pookie Pookies. Say hi, Pookie Pookies.
Let's try something new. I'm going to make Linda Son's blueberry muffins. The 2.5 cups of almond flour, 3 eggs, salt. It says 1/3 of a cup. Yeah, of a cup of coconut oil. Now you mix. Add vanilla and 3/4 of a cup of blueberries. I have frozen blue. Do you guys wait till the oven is preheated? I don't. Is that bad? Let's go check. Okay, let's try it. Or maybe the strawberries. I mean, I like almond flour, so.
Rip it off. Just like break the, not the strawberry part though. No, really, is it good? You really like it?
I like blueberries.
Oh, the almond flour is not bad. It's
Wait.
a little nutty.
I need more sugar.
Yeah, I didn't put that much sugar in it.
Definitely the blueberries, no strawberries. Yeah, it goes